Students, welcome back to your online classes. And we will continue with the same topic, okay? This is also 16th May. This is the continuation of the same chapter, okay? After lunch, some people slept, and after having their lunch, some people slept, okay, on a train. But I was not sleepy. Omana, she did not feel sleep, so she was awake, okay? I was looking out of the window, and she was awake and she was looking out from the window. I saw many fields, but they all were brown and dry. And from the window she saw outside many fields, but all the fields were brown and dry, okay? Sometimes we passed small villages, and while moving on a train, sometimes they also cross the small villages. They seemed to be flying by, and from the window she saw that the villages were flying by, okay? Do you know that when the train is at a very high speed, things outside seem to be running in the opposite direction? So if you have traveled in a train, you must have noticed that when the train is in high speed, if we look outside from the window, we see that the things are running, okay? Earlier it was really hot, and before it was really hot, okay? Now that it is evening, there is some breeze now, and now this is the evening. It was the evening time, and that time it was cool, okay? The sun is slowly setting and the sky has become orange. Now the sun is slowly setting, okay, and now the color of the sky has become orange. I have never seen it look like this in Ahmedabad. And she has never seen such things and which looks like this in Ahmedabad, okay? We have just passed a station called Valsad. Now they have recently just passed a station named Valsad, okay? The train stopped for only 2 minutes, but even for the short time there was so much noise, and because that Valsad is not the main station, okay, so the train stops for only 2 minutes, but for the short time also there was so much noise, okay? People were making noise. Chai, garam chai. One man was calling, batata vada. Puri shog, doodh, thanda doodh. People were selling and buying food on the platform, okay? And why there was so much noise? Because so many sellers were there, okay? Some were selling garam chai, and some were selling batata vada, and some were selling thanda doodh, okay? That is the reason there was so much noise, okay? People were selling and buying food on the platform, means they were some people were selling and some people were buying food in the platform. We quickly bought some bananas and chicos through the window itself, and from the window only they bought some bananas and chicos, okay? Now here are some exercise. Let's do it. What did Omana see from the window? You have to write, okay? She was sitting near the window, you know, right? So what did she saw from the window? You have to write. What are some of the things that are sold at rail stations? So you have to write the items, what is sold in the railway station. You have to write those things, okay? 6th May. I have made some friends. Now in train Omana had made some friends, okay? Because Omana was saying that she will go and talk to them later, no? So she made some friends. They are Sunil and Anne. Now Omana's friends in the train are Sunil and Anne. They are going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikode. So this both Sunil and Anne were going to their grandmother's house, and this place is in Kozhikode. Okay, they were going to Kozhikode. Sunil has given me some storybooks to read, and Sunil, she gave to Omana some storybooks to read. Okay. A little while ago, I went to brush my teeth. Sometime before Omana, she went to brush her teeth. Okay. But there was no water in the bathroom. There was no water in the bathroom. Somebody said that it will only be filled at the next big station, and somebody said that will be filled only in the next big station. Okay. Now let's do the exercise. Why do you think there was no water in the bathroom of the train? Discuss. What you have to do is you have to write here why there was no water in the bathroom on the train. Okay, you have to discuss. You have to write the reasons why there was no water. Imagine that you are going on a long train journey. What are the things that you will take with you to help pass the time? So you just have to imagine that you are going on a train for a trip. Okay. And in order to pass the time, what are the things you will take with you? You have to write those things. Can you recognize who are these people shown in the picture? What work do they do? Discuss. So here are so many pictures, no? You have to write it here, everything. You have to recognize this picture, what these people are doing, and you have to write. Okay. Here you can see this one is ticket seller. Okay. And this one is sweeper. And this one is railway police. So in this way you have to write, recognize and write their names. Do all this exercise in your notebooks. Thank you.